Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Settings and navigating straight to Keyboard. This gets you to the controls for recent emoji. Tap into the keyboard settings so you can see recent or frequently used emoji options and make sure editing or gesture features are enabled. Once done, switch to any app and open the keyboard to view the recent emoji bar. This immediate access is necessary because deletion often happens from within the keyboard interface, not from the app itself, so don't skip this step. Now, with the keyboard open, long press a recent emoji to reveal a remove or delete option. You do this because some systems allow per emoji removal. If that option is unavailable, go back to Settings and choose Clear Keyboard Data or Reset Keyboard to wipe all recent emoji in one action. Make sure to read and confirm any prompts, since clearing is typically irreversible. Once confirmed, verify by reopening the keyboard. The recent emoji row should be empty or reset to default suggestions. Finish by restarting the app or the device to ensure the keyboard refreshes and no cached suggestions remain. This often resolves lingering entries. If recent emojis still appear, make sure your keyboard app and operating system are updated, because bugs can prevent deletion from taking effect. If updates don't help, reinstall the keyboard or switch to an alternate keyboard temporarily to confirm whether the issue is app-specific. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, back up any custom keyboard data before reinstalling, so you don't lose desired shortcuts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.